$5 trillion इकोनॉमी, इसका सपना संजोया है।
India is one of the world's fastest growing economies. It had been touted as an economic and geopolitical counterweight to China, but recently its growth fell to its slowest pace in 6 years. Investment has weakened and unemployment has risen. So what's causing the slowdown?
This year we are facing an extraordinary situation. You're facing an act of God which might even result in a contraction of the economy.
आज जितने एयरपोर्ट हैं, डबल एयरपोर्ट फंक्शनल करना चाहते हैं।
Human rights groups say India's lockdown has disproportionately affected migrant and daily wage workers. A lockdown without any planning for India's millions of migrant workers and daily wage earners has led to a humanitarian emergency